Tutorial: Enabling Port Visibility. This tutorial will demonstrate the usage of the port visibility feature of PacketTracer. Creating links on both ends of a remote connection can be time-consuming and confusing. The port visibility feature under the Extensions menu allows all ports specified to be visible on the connected cloud. The port visibility window will allow you to selectively choose which ports all other remote PacketTracer instances can see and connect to without requiring your end to make the connection. Create a connection between this PC and a port of your choice on the remote PacketTracer instance. Notice the cloud now has a list of ports that are visible from the first PacketTracer instance. The link on this PacketTracer instance was automatically created. If you delete a link connected to a port with the port visibility, the cable on the other end is also deleted. This ends the Enabling Port Visibility tutorial.